madness.
Hello and welcome to Tuhin's editing, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a border in the video inside Adobe Premiere Pro. So we already have a clip here in timeline. To add the border, I'm going to search for grid and then drag the grid effect onto the footage and go to the effect control and make sure the anchor points are 0, and after that take the size from width and height slider and make sure the width and height is same as the video resolution. So this is going to be 1920 into 1080, and after that I'm going to add the blending mode to normal, and you can see there is a thin border already added here, and use the border effect to increase the size, and that's it. This is how you can add border into videos very easily. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.